Well, hello, and thanks for dropping by. This is a little video I made recently on a trip to West Wales and a bit of North Wales with my mate Jeff. We left on the North Devon Link Road as usual on a Friday. It tends to get a bit busy on the traffic, especially when we head into the M5 and then claw our way through the traffic towards Bristol and the bridge. It was good to see the bridge eventually. It's always nice to ride over the bridge into Wales. Then we headed off onto the Battle House, which is in a place called Goitree on the Abergavenny Road. This is the Baffle House. We're coming for a quiet coffee. What do you reckon, Jeff?
I reckon it's a bit rammed.
Well, that was the Baffle House, which was, it's always nice to stop. It's such a friendly atmosphere in there. Really good to see it so busy. A quick coffee and head on out on the road and try and get something else to eat. Well, this is the Heads of the Valley Road. We're going up to Merthyr Tydfil. The Heads of the Valley Road has finally been completed. You talk to anybody who comes from South Wales and they will know all about this road and how long it took them to complete it. Man, I thought North Devon Link Road took a long time to complete, but I think this took about 20 years. This is the old military road. Well, it's not an old military road, it is the military road. It's where soldiers come to do their soldiering. Somewhere down there is an old Russian village, or during the Cold War they built a mock Eastern European village down here somewhere. Hopefully you can see it. You can't get to it, but you can see it off the road, I believe.
You can see it off the road, but actually it wasn't that clear, so we moved on. This is the Lampsher Road. It's a cracking little road, but there is one junction here where it's that white car that just passed in front of Jeff. That is one really bad junction. You need to take some real care on that one. I've got to say, this is a cracking road. It was one of the joys of that day, that's for sure. We heading towards Aberystwyth. The camera angle's not brilliant, but at least you're going to get a view of what the road looks like. As we head over towards the coast now and finally into Aberystwyth as we started to hunt down our hotel for the night. After successfully dodging the tractor, we headed to Lake Vyrnwy so that Jeff could get his drone up and get some footage. Leaving the very beautiful Lake Vyrnwy, we headed on to the B4391 and made our way to Bala. This is a fantastic road. I've done this road a couple of times now and it is absolutely glorious, with lots of switchbacks and some fantastic scenery. the things I like about it is the way you ride up the side of the valley, and as the valley drops away, you head over the top and get onto this stretch of road, which again is just a mecca. I think what I need to point out here when you're watching these overtakes is that you must remember where the camera is positioned on the bike. This isn't my view that you can see, this is the view from the front left hand side bearing. So I am a lot further over than it looks like. So consequently I do have a lot better view than you might be thinking I've got. But it was good to get those out of the way and get some free road in front of them. I'll just sit quiet for a minute and let you enjoy the soundtrack of a big V twin barking through a Racefit exhaust. So after a nice light lunch in Bala, we set up again on the road to Scenic this time. As you can see, once again we're riding up the side of the valley, which seems to get deeper the higher we get. But we got to the top and we came across this little pull-in, which is ideal to stop in and get the drone up.
What a view though, as you come over that hill and you get all that in the... Oh, it's amazing. Oh, I don't know, these people are here, so I don't want them backing into us, do we? Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Well, we've been diverted because the road is closed, and this is where we've ended up. So it's looking alright. Don't know where we're going. Map says this way. Let's go this way. Well, if I'm not mistaken, that must be Harlech Castle. Harlech Castle. What a sight. Well, this journey has been a trip of different layers and varieties. Look at that scenery, it's completely different to what we saw just an hour ago. Fabulous. I think this is Vyrnwy. Still full of holiday makers.
It took us a while to get out of Vyrnwy, as it's a very steep, narrow road going out to Vyrnwy, and we got stuck behind a coach. But eventually we got out and popped onto this road here, which is the road to Machynlleth. And what a glorious road this is. It's got everything you would want. It's got the valley, it's got the sun on the sea, and it's got corners after corners. It was a fabulous end to a fantastic weekend. Once we got to Machynlleth, we took the coast road back to Racefit, parked up, went into town for a curry, a beer, followed by a well-deserved night's sleep. The following day it absolutely chucked it down, so we decided that filming wasn't perhaps the best. We should concentrate on what we're doing, so that's what we did. If you've enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe. Much appreciated, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.